Hello guys, I'm back again with some more informational videos amid this coronavirus scare. If you guys don't know me, my name is Jaime Topete. I'm an engineer here in Santa Barbara. So the information I bring to you today is, revolves around the topic of should you invest because the stock market basically crashed. And I am not a stock market expert, but I do invest in stocks. And, I spend most of my day listening to podcasts where more educated people talk, and I just listen, which is the way it should be, right? If you don't really know much, don't mislead other people. All of these people say the same thing. Write it out and invest because you are at a place where you can invest in stocks at a discount. So what did I do? I started investing in stocks. Starbucks was one big one that dropped a lot. About a month ago, it was trading around $90. And now it's around $60. Today, it hit $59. So my girlfriend actually opened up a Robinhood account 2 days ago, and she bought Starbucks stock. Because if you just listen to the history, to what the older people have to say, they'll tell you to write it out. Now, there might be some other people who say, no, this is not the time to buy. Well, to each their own, but I'm telling you what I will do, what I've listened to, what I've read about, on countless articles, and what I've listened to on dozens of podcasts. So my tip for you is to start investing right now. Buy things at a discount, right? Buy whatever you can get at a discount, stocks, ETFs, whatever. This is not one of those lessons on what an ETF and what a stock is, because I'm not the kind of person to be teaching you, right? But my tips to you is to just invest, right? I'm an engineer. I thankfully have money to invest, a few $100s here, a few $100s there, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So until next time, I will keep you guys updated on my stock, how it's doing, how it's not doing. Just take my word. Everything I tell you is the truth as far as I know. I don't intend to make money from YouTube, but I want people to learn. And that's it. Because if one person listens, he can change an entire community of people. So have a nice day. See you guys later.